Linksys MX12600 Velop Intelligent Mesh Wi-Fi 6 Setup. Step 1. Unbox and position nodes. Unbox the main node and additional nodes. Place the main node near your modem and other nodes in central locations for optimal coverage. Step 2. Power up the main node. Connect the main node to a power source and turn it on. Wait for the LED to flash purple, indicating it's ready for setup. Step 3. Download the Linksys app. Install the Linksys app on your smartphone from the App Store or Google Play. Step 4. Create or log into your Linksys account. Open the app and either create a new account or log in if you already have one. Step 5. Start the setup process. Follow the on-screen instructions to start the setup. The app will prompt you to connect the main node to your modem. Step 6. Connect the main node to the modem. Use the provided Ethernet cable to connect the Internet WAN port of the main node to your modem. The app will detect the connection. Step 7. Customize Wi-Fi settings. Choose a Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password for your network. You can also opt to use the default settings provided by the app. Step 8. Add additional nodes. Place additional nodes in areas needing better coverage. Power them on, and the app will guide you to add them to the mesh network. Step 9. Test the network. Once all nodes are added, the app will test the network and confirm the connection strength of each node. Step 10. Save and enjoy. Save your settings and enjoy seamless Wi-Fi across your home. Use the Linksys app to manage your network and connected devices. Thank you for watching.